Okay, I'm at the place up north. This is how I wash dishes. This, a coffee pot. Airline tubing for a fish tank. A piece of wire. And a plug. I plug it in for about 5 minutes or so. That warms up more for more water, less time for less water. It warms up the water to be at least comfortable, or hotter if you like, but don't make it so hot that you burn your hands when you get it under the water flow. The way you turn on the water is by lowering the hose like this. The wire sort of keeps it in place. When you want it to stop, you raise the wire back up and the flow stops. The way I wash the dishes is that I always put a small amount of soap into a bowl like this with a little bit of water. So a couple drops of soap or a little squirt of soap. Put some water in there. Whoa, making a mess here. With a little bit of water. That dilutes the soap such that when you're washing and rinsing, you're not using too much soap. We use way more soap than we need. I got this point from my sister's ex-husband. Using less soap requires less water. I wash the dish like this. It's clean. There isn't a lot of residue on it in terms of soap, let's say. Make sure it's clean. I like clean and soap-free dishes. I'm not going to wash all of these. Here's another one. Wash it like that. I usually wash a whole stack of them. Then I lower the tube. And I wash the dish. My hands sort of get soap-free as a consequence of moving things around. And this dish is fine. I don't know that foreign language so well, but then I do this dish here, and boom, just like that. I want to get the rest of the soap off my hands because I'm going to deal with the camera. Put that dish in the drying rack. Water's off. I swear that I probably used half a cup of water for those two dishes, maybe a little more, but I can wash this entire stack of dishes right here. Sorry I didn't show you the stack. There's the stack. There's dishes drying. There's dirty dishes. I could wash this entire stack of dishes with a gallon of water out of that coffee pot. So it's very good on water. Dishes get clean. That's all there is to it.